Dear student, today's topic is also profit and loss exercise 10C. Here I discuss about sales tax and VAT. So what is sales tax? Sales tax is, in your book it is given, sales tax is charged by the shopkeeper. In the book it is given sales tax charged by the shopkeeper from the customer on selling price of the article of an item and adding to the value of the bill. So sales tax paid by the state to the respective state government. So sales tax paid by the state government, sales tax charged by the state government, and it is paid by the customer through the shopkeeper, and different item has different sales tax. Similarly, value added tax VAT, these days the price of the article including the tax called value added tax VAT. The different item carry the VAT of different rate. Now in question number 1, it is given in the book that the list price of the refrigerator is given rupees 14,650. If 6% charged as sales tax, find the cost of the refrigerator. So list price of the refrigerator is rupees 14,650. Sales tax equal to 6%. So cost price of the refrigerator equal to list price plus sales tax. So this is the list price 14,650 plus 6% of list price, this is the tax, equal to rupees 14,650 plus 6% of 14,650 equal to 6 by 100 into 14,650, and its calculated value is 15,529. So cost price of the refrigerator is rupees 15,529. Next, question number 2. In question number 2, Rina bought the following articles from the general stores: one tie, medicine, cosmetics, cloth, these 4 items, and these 4 items at different cost price and different sales tax. So for the first item, cost price of the tie is rupees 250 and sales tax 6%. So cost price of the tie for Rina including sales tax equal to rupees 250 plus 6% of the cost price 250. 250 plus 6 by 100 into 250 equal to 265. This is the amount paid by the Rina for the tie including sales tax. Now cost price of the second item, medicine, is rupees 625 and sales tax on the medicine is 4%. So cost price of the medicine for Rina including sales tax equal to rupees 625 plus 4% of 625, and its value is 650. So this is the rupees 650. This amount is paid by the Rina for the medicine including sales tax. Next item, the cost price of the cosmetics is rupees 430 and sales tax 10%. So cost price of the cosmetics including sales tax equal to rupees 430 plus 10% of rupees 430 equal to rupees 430 plus 10 by 100 into 430. So its value is 473. So cost price of the cosmetics including sales tax equal to 473. And last item, clothes, cost price of the clothes is equal to rupees 1,175 and sales tax 8%. So cost price of the cloth including sales tax equal to 1,175 plus 8% of 1,175 equal to rupees 1,175 plus 8 by 100 into 1,175 is equal to 1,269. So this is the amount of this is the cost of the cloth including sales tax. Now total amount of bill paid by the Rina equal to sum of these four item number 200 rupees 265 plus 650 plus 473 plus 1269, this one equal to 2657. Next, question number 4. In question number 4, it is given that Mohit bought a shirt for rupees 1337.50 including VAT 7%. Find the original price of the shirt. So let the original price of the shirt is rupees X and VAT is 7%. So price of the shirt including VAT equal to original price plus 7% of original price equal to X plus 7% of X equal to 7X plus 7X by 100 equal to 107 by X by 100. Now it is given that price of the shirt including VAT equal to 1337 plus 0.50. So according to the condition 107x by 100 equal to 1337.50. X equal to 1337.50 into 100 by 107. So its value is X equal to 1250. So original price of the shirt is rupees 1250. Next, question number 7. It is given that Sajal purchased some car parts for rupees 20,776 including VAT at 12%. What is the original price of the parts, car parts? So Sajal purchased a car parts, it is given Sajal purchased a car parts for rupees 20,776 including VAT 12%. And the original price of the car parts is equal to X. Let the original price of the car parts is rupees X. So price of the car parts including VAT equal to X plus 12% of X. This is the original price. So X plus 12% of X equal to 112X by 100. So according to the condition 112X by 100 equal to 20,776. X equal to 20,776 into 100 by 112. And its value is X equal to 18,550. So original price of the car parts equal to 18,550. Next, question number 10. It is given that Malati bought a VCR for rupees 19,980 including VAT. If the original price of the VCR is 18,500, find the rate of VAT. So original price of the VCR is rupees 18,500 and Maluti bought VCR for rupees 19,980 including VAT. So amount of VAT equal to the price including VAT minus original price equal to 1,480. So percentage of VAT equal to 1,480 divided by original price into 100. And it is equal to 1480 by 185. Cut this 0000. So it is 8%. So percentage of VAT is 8%. Next, question number 11. The value of the car including VAT is rupees 3,82,500. If the basic price of the car is 3,40,000, find the rate of VAT on cars. So basic price of the car is 3,40,000. Price of the car including VAT is 3,82,500. So amount of VAT equal to rupees, difference of this, the value of the car including VAT minus original price equal to 42,500. This is the amount of VAT. So VAT percent equal to amount of VAT by original price into 100. So cut this 40 and 2020. So 425 by 34. After division, it is 12.5. So rate of VAT equal to 12.5%. Thank you.